Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Brooks Men's Launch 8 neutral running shoe, a top contender in the world of running gear. Whether you're training for a marathon or just hitting the pavement for a morning jog, finding the right shoe can make all the difference. And the Launch 8 promises to deliver. Let's explore why this might just be the best Launch 8 available in the market right now. The Brooks Launch 8 is designed for neutral runners seeking a lightweight shoe with a responsive ride. It strikes a perfect balance between being durable enough for daily training and light enough for race day. This model succeeds the popular Launch 7 and has been refined to enhance performance and comfort. Now, let's talk performance. The Launch 8 is engineered to provide a responsive and energetic ride. Whether you're logging miles on the track or navigating urban streets, its rubber sole ensures reliable traction and durability. The shoe's streamlined design and responsive cushioning make it feel like an extension of your foot, enhancing your natural stride and reducing fatigue. Biomogo DNA midsole. This technology adapts to your stride, providing the right amount of cushioning and energy return. Blown rubber forefoot adds to the shoe's springiness, ensuring a more efficient toe-off. Lightweight air mesh upper keeps your feet cool and comfortable, promoting airflow and reducing sweat buildup. What are runners saying about the Launch 8? Well, feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Users appreciate its lightweight feel and the responsive nature of the midsole. Many have noted significant improvements in their running times and overall comfort during long runs. It seems Brooks has struck the right balance between performance and comfort with this model. So, is the Brooks Men's Launch 8 neutral running shoe worth it? Absolutely. For neutral runners looking to enhance their performance without compromising on comfort, this shoe ticks all the boxes. From its lightweight construction to its responsive cushioning, it's clear why the Launch 8 continues to be a top choice in the running community. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the Launch 8 or if there's another shoe you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy running!